Hi, boys and girls. Happy Friday. Alrighty, and here's our phonics lesson. Alrighty, please get out this packet that says 2/12 because it's February 12th. Alrighty, get this out so you have it ready. Alrighty, today, boys and girls, we are going to look for words with consonant clusters and then play a game. Who remembers what is a consonant cluster? We've been working on it for a couple days now. Right, consonant clusters. Some words have groups of 2 or 3 consonants at the beginning of the word. These groups of letters are called consonant clusters. Which consonant clusters have you noticed in words? So remember, on Wednesday we learned TR, right? In tray, you have right? You hear the T and you hear the R. We also learned a few yesterday, right? We learned a few consonant clusters yesterday in our poems. We learned, ready? We learned G, Grr. You hear the G, you hear the R. In green. What other ones did we learn? Oh, right, we learned S, O, O, the S, and the L. Slow. You hear the S sound and you hear the L sound. S-O, slow. And we learned, ready? This one's a tricky one. Eat. This is a consonant cluster, right? We have the S makes the sound. We have the T makes the T sound. And then we have the R that makes the sound. Stir, eat, street. So this is also a consonant cluster because you can have 2 or 3 consonants together and they all make their own sound, right? They make their own sound. S makes its own sound, T makes its own sound, and R makes its own sound. And today we're going to be learning some more consonant clusters. Okay. Okay. All right. I am going to write a word on the board. And I want you to see, I want you to look at this word and think, what do you notice is at the beginning of the word? Ready? All right. What is at the beginning of this word? We have a s, k, s, k, ip, s, k, ip, skip. This word is skip. What is at the beginning of this word? Right. This is another consonant cluster. We have the S, and the S makes the S sound, and we have the K that makes the K sound. So we have skip. Yes, that is a consonant cluster. You can hear each sound in the consonant. You hear the S and you hear the K. So let's say this sound. Ready? Say the S sound. And then say the K sound. Skip. Nice job. All right, I'm going to show you a few more words. And I'd like you to find the consonant cluster in each word. Sound out the words, okay? Alrighty, let's sound this word out. Let's sound this word out. Ready? S, I, O. S, I, O. Smile. And where is the consonant cluster? Remember your consonants are not vowels. All the letters that are not vowels. So our consonant cluster is right here, right? S, S and M. We hear the S sound and we hear the M sound. Say the S sound with me. S, Smile. Nice job. Let's try another one. Okay. Ready? All right, ready? S, P, A, T, S, P, A, T, spot. Nice job. Where's the consonant cluster? Right in the front, right? We have an S. We hear the S sound, right? S, and we hear the P. S, P. So make those sounds with me. S, P, sp, spot. Nice job. SP is a consonant cluster. You hear both letter sounds, right? You hear both letter sounds. All right, let's try another one. S, T, E. Oh, can you see it? Look. There we go. Okay. Alrighty, we have st, ik, st, ik. Right, our consonant cluster is ST because you hear the S sound and you hear the T. Is I part of it? No way, Jose, because I is a vowel. I is not a consonant, so it cannot be part of a consonant cluster. No way, Jose. I is not a part of the consonant cluster. So we have stick, stick. Nice job. Let's try one more together. Okay, we have W, im. Our consonant cluster is SW. Nice job, because you hear the S, you hear the S sound. You hear the W sound is W, S, W, im. Swim. Awesome, awesome job. A group of 2 or 3 letters is what? It's a consonant cluster. Make sure you can say that. A group of 2 or 3 letters is a consonant cluster. You can usually hear each sound in a consonant cluster, right? S, k. You hear that? You hear both sounds. S, you hear both sounds. S, p. You hear both sounds. S, t. You hear both sounds. Nice job. S, w. You hear both sounds, right? Awesome, awesome job. All right. Please get out this packet that says February 12th on the top. All right, and you are going to get to play a fun game with, maybe you can play with mommy or daddy or grandma or an older brother or a sister. All righty, you are going to play Go Fish. And I know you guys like this game. And this is a very traditional, easy game that you've probably played before and had a lot of fun. So you need to cut out the cards, and then, you know, you give some to the person you're playing with, you get some, and then there's some in the middle. And so you're going to have different words, but you're not looking for the exact same word as a match. You're looking for the same consonant cluster. So this word is spot. What is the consonant cluster in spot? S-P, sp, right? So when you ask your partner, or when you ask the person you're playing with, do you have any words that have the same consonant cluster or beginning sound as sp, sp? So your partner will look to see if they have any words that start with an S-P, sp. So if they have spider, spider, then they will give you your card. If they don't have spider, then guess what? They'll say, go fish. All right, boys and girls, I hope you have so much fun playing this game, and I wish I could play it with you. Maybe when we get back to school, we can play it together. All righty, remember, wash your hands. Love you, bye.